Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa. First off, excuse the noise. That's my fan. It's about 85 degrees here in Texas right now. I'm trying to record this in my garage, and it's either I turn the fan on or I turn the air conditioner on, which is also noisy, so I apologize. I'll try to speak as loud as I can so everybody can hear me. Anyways, let's get down to it. This is going to be a quick introduction slash unboxing slash review of the SPTA cordless foamer slash sprayer. Now, you may be familiar with pump foamers. In fact, let me grab my other one real quick. Okay, so this is my Merrilex Axle 2000 foamer. I've had this for about 2 years. In my opinion, when it comes to pump foamers, this thing is the industry standard. This is high quality, very durable. Keep in mind, if you're storing it, release the pressure. I see people say it doesn't last very long, and they're either throwing it in the back of their freaking van, or they're not releasing the pressure, which you just push down on here to release the pressure, which keeps it from long-term damage. You only want to have it pressurized when you're using it. Same goes with this one. This is great. Now, the downside to pump foamers is you have to pump them a lot, and that gets really tiring on your arm, especially if you're doing multiple vehicles, big vehicles, etc. I like to use this for wheels. I like to use these small ones for wheels. Right there, I've got an IK Foam Pro 12, which can be charged up with a air compressor. I'll do a review on that at a later date. It's been reviewed a lot, but you know, maybe if you guys are interested in seeing my opinion on it, let me know. But anyways, this is about the SPTA. Now, this is the box that came in. So this box it's not a, pretty nice box, nice branding. The SPTA is a Chinese company, and I don't think they have many Western people working for them. So as you can see, the translation from Chinese to English gets a little weird. They get the point across though, so they at least did their research, so you can at least understand. I've had some poorly translated Chinese things that I'm just like, what? But anyways, there it is. So there it is in metric, and there it is, actually no, there it is in metric. They only have metric on here. Anyways, on this machine there is no pumping involved. It does not have a pump. This little thing right here is the pressure release. I've got it locked so the pressure is permanently released, but you just lift it up and twist it, and there you go. Now it can be pressurized. Comes with an instruction manual that comes in many languages, so whatever language you speak, you'll at least have the instructions there. And what comes in the box, guys? So it comes with this. The motor unit and everything is down here on the bottom. This is the power button. You don't want to turn it on when you don't have one of the nozzles attached, and that's because it will continuously spray out of the front. I made that mistake. Right now I've got 3D yellow degreaser mixed 1-to-1 in here. It's the gallon version of yellow degreaser, which is concentrated. If you buy the 16-ounce bottle of 3D's yellow degreaser, that's already pre-diluted, I think like 5-to-1 or something. It's a weaker dilution versus if you buy it in the concentrated gallon. Anyways, so it comes with, in the box, the main unit, a USB charger. So let me try to get that on camera better. Okay, USB charger. So it doesn't come with a outlet plug. It just comes with a USB charger. So whatever country you live in, you can plug it into whatever you need. I'm pretty sure USB is pretty universal. And I've got USB power blocks anyways. Check the instructions though to make sure you got the right voltage. It comes with this rubber gasket. This is very important. Make sure you're putting this in place, and I'll show you how. Because if you don't, again, it's just going to continuously spray out the front. And I'll even show you. Then you got your two nozzles. You got your foam nozzle that's got a fan spray pattern that you can, adjust whichever way you want it going. Yeah, you can't really see in there. And then you've got your regular spray tip if you don't want foam. So it does both. It's amazing. Okay. And then if you open it up, this is what you got on the inside. So you got this straw. It's not weighted, unfortunately. And you can't really see right here, there's this black piece. And that black piece is what helps it foam. It doesn't have multiple foam tips though, so you only get the one. But it's a wet foam, which is good. The Merrilex comes with, wet foam, medium, dry, just like the IK foamers do. And I am getting an IK Foam Pro 2 Plus in soon. That's the one that has the Schrader valve, so you can use a compressor to pump it up, because the Foam Pro 2s I'm not a fan of because they freaking take forever when you're pumping them. That's why I got the Foam Pro 12, so I can just use my air compressor to charge it up. This one's got its own built-in compressor. Isn't that nice? So its own built-in compressor, all you do is turn it on and let it go. So real quick, I will show you why you don't just install this without the gasket. So I'm not putting the gasket in place here. I'm gonna get my floor a little gross, so let me adjust the camera down. And some microfibers got soaking. So this is the power button. I turn it on. Okay. It will not pressurize. So now I'm going to show you how to install it with the gasket. So let's go back up here. Okay, so we'll take this off. Now it only comes with one gasket. I believe you can get more from them if you need it. I'm getting chemicals all over my hands. I'm going to dip this in that bucket. And microfibers I got soaking just to clean it up. I do that for you guys so you can see the mistake that I made because I didn't read the instructions. So this gasket, you see how it's kind of shaped, smaller on one side than the other. The smaller side goes in like so. That's what keeps pressure. Then you simply put it on here, twist it on, and there you have it. So let's bring it outside and I'll show you guys how the sprayer works and how the foam works. Okay, so here we are outside. I've got ye old test wheel here. It's got some tire shine on it. It's probably going to be removed. So here's the power button. You just turn it on. That's where the charging port is, by the way. I didn't say. Sorry about that. Turn it on. You can hear it already. It's starting to pressurize. Okay. And it's good to go as soon as it turns on. Now it's going to keep pressurizing until it reaches max pressure. So it does have a shutoff built into it. I'll wait for that to kick in. Come on. There we go. Okay, so that was, I don't know, 10-15 seconds. And it'll continue to pressurize as you use it. So now it's ready to go, and it's also got a lock on the lever, so you pull, you can push like that. That's what we're getting from max pressure. So you want to adjust your spray tip, and adjust your pattern just like that. And you hear it starts to turn back on. So it definitely sprays plenty of pressure with chemicals. So I'm going to turn it off. We're going to switch the spray tip. So before you switch tips, release the pressure. Okay, pressure is released. Now let's show the tips down here as we change them out. Alright, back in the garage to change for the foam tip. Again, we released the pressure, and I'll be honest guys, I'm going to be using this with the foam tip mostly, but this is going to be great for especially mobile detailers so you don't get your hands all tired and such. So there's a foam tip. You just rinse that out with water so the chemical doesn't dry in there. My gasket's still installed, as you can see. Tighten it down on there. Alright, and then if you want to make sure that this is horizontal, vertical, you just loosen it up. You can twist this in here. I like to keep mine vertical, so let me make sure that's lined up. And we're good to go. No, we're not. It's a little... Come on. There we go. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And while that's building up pressure, we're going to go back over to the wheel. And I'm a dummy, I forgot to twist this back so it's in the down position while it was pumping, so it just wasn't building up any pressure at all. But we can hear it's still going. So this is how it works as a foamer, guys. Check this out. That's pretty good, right? I'm gonna let it finish building up pressure and then I'll show you how it is at full pressure. Okay, it only took a few seconds more, honestly. It's at full pressure now, it's shut off. You can see the lights are on, it's still powered on. Nice wet foam. I'd be very happy using this foam, doing anything. And then when it drops pressure, it's going to continue to fill. So you just get consistent, constant foam. Look at that. Do a whole wheel, no problem. It's not dying down. The pattern's not dying. It keeps it nice and pressurized. Beautiful, beautiful foam. I'd be very happy using this to clean. Alright, so I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to get this wheel rinsed off, and I'll show you guys how to plug it in to charge it. Alright, so to charge, here's the charging cable. It's about 3 feet long, not super long. I've already got a USB power brick up on the wall. So I plug the USB-A side in there, come down here, pop this out, plug it in. Now mine's already a little over halfway charged, so I had it charging for a couple hours already. It does take a while to fully charge. And then because I'm going to be storing it, make sure we release the pressure. Don't ever store these under pressure or they will break on you. I promise you that. Anyways, let's go in for the final thoughts. Alright, so my final thoughts on this SPTA machine here. I've used a few other SPTA products. As a matter of fact, let me grab those and I'll show you. So I have got SPTA brushes. These are softer. These are a little bit more coarse. Very nice. I am very happy with these, and it's got a soft interior brush. Can't go wrong with these. They work just as good as any other brush. I mean, they're freaking brushes, so what's going to go wrong with a brush, right? I know some brushes cost a lot of money. These ones are pretty affordable, which I think is great. That's what I love about this brand, is they're bringing good products to the market that work good and they're affordable. I've got the SPTA 15 millimeter cordless polisher. It comes with 2 batteries, charger, and a bunch of other goodies. I have been using the crap out of this and it's been amazing. I've got the SPTA mini cordless polisher. And guys, I paid for every single one of these products. I'm not sponsored by SPTA at all, if you were wondering. But I've got their mini cordless polisher. This has been a great unit as well. Also comes with 2 batteries and a charger, plus a bunch of other goodies. Got SPTA polisher lengthening bars. This is for my rotary polisher, so I can extend the reach if I need to. For full size and mini rotary polishers, which those I have from Max Shine. And then I've got the SPTA mini rotary extender flexible shaft. Comes with a crap load of stuff. You can see it there. That's the shaft in there. You can attach that to any type of rotary tool, including a drill. And I use that to get under door handles and such. So I am no stranger to SPTA products. If you are interested, I'll link all of these. Again, I paid for all of these with my own money. I have no affiliation with SPTA. I don't have an affiliate account with them. You know, maybe they might extend something in the future. I don't know. Currently, I don't have anything affiliated with them. Spent all my own money on these things. But anyways, this I think is a great unit. It cost, at the time of this recording, about $50. It's got a $3 off coupon. Is it better than the Miralex? That has yet to be seen. The Miralex does come with a little bit more, where you get the different foaming tips that I got stored in the handle. This doesn't come with any foaming tips, but I mean, for something that does foam and spray, and it's cordless, it pressurizes itself, you don't have to pump it. Awesome. I wish it came with an option to pump it just in case your battery died, but you can't win them all. So if you're going to use this for mobile detailing, maybe we'll get a couple of them. Make sure you got a way to charge them. The Miralex is great too, and everything is going to be linked if you're interested, guys. Everything. I'll link everything I showed in this video. The IK Foam Pro 2 Plus, that should be here in a couple days. I'll be doing a review on that as well. But I mean, this thing is great. I think this is going to be like one of my main things to grab because I don't have to pump it up. I just turn it on, it's good to go. How long it's going to last, I don't really know as of yet. The jury's still out on that. But even if I get a year out of use for this for $50, I'll be happy. If I have to buy another one, oh well. If I was spending a couple $100 on this, I'd be pretty upset if it broke. But if you're seeing this at a future date, just feel free to ask. Let me know. Say, comment below, how's this thing been holding up? I'll let you know. I plan on using this probably weekly, so it's going to see a lot of use. But I mean, hey, this is a great buy. I have not seen anything else in the market like it. SPTA, if you guys are watching this, you're doing a great job. Keep it up with the good quality products. I appreciate it, and I know many other people do as well. But thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Check out my links. It supports the channel if you get anything through those links. If you're interested in this or anything else, comment your thoughts below again. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.